Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video I'm going to quickly talk about a massive deal alert for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which right now is 25% off. So basically the Z Fold normally is $1,800, but with 25% off, a flat discount, it is now at $1,349, and this is only going to be available on Samsung Shop application. So there's going to be a link down below. Okay, let me show you the link. It is going to be in the description or the top pinned comment. But when you do click that link, it is going to launch the Samsung Shop application. If you don't have it, it is going to ask you to install it or at least give you a prompt to tell you to open the application. You can see without the application, the price is $1,799. But with the Shop Samsung application, which is Samsung's official application, it is actually $1,349, which is total insanity. So again, click the link below to activate the deal and make sure you navigate to the Shop Samsung application. Now once you're there, you can see $1,349. And again, you can also do additional trade-in deals. So if you have no trade-in, this is what you pay. That's it, which is a huge discount. But if you do scroll down, also make sure to get the 512 gigabyte model because that's going to be the same price as 256 gigabyte model. So it's 25% off plus additional discount on the 512 gigabyte model. Now when you scroll down though, you can see I can pick a color that I want. Let's just go with the black for now. But on top of that, I can also trade in my existing smartphones. If I tap on yes, trade in, and scroll down a little bit, okay, let's say select a brand, Samsung, and let's just say I have one of these phones here. You can see the S23 Ultra, the Z Fold 4, and the Z Fold 3 will give you $1,000 in trade-in credit. Honestly, I do hope you have a Z Fold 3 because that's going to be the best deal, or the Z Fold 4. But you have other options. Even if you have a Z Fold 2 from years ago, you're getting $800. So as an example, let me just go with the Z Fold 3. I'm going to tap on yes, I agree. And then I'm going to scroll down. You can do Samsung Care. I'm going to say no coverage. I'm going to go down. You can also get the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro for $50 with this package. Normally they're $230, so there's a lot of stuff going on here. But if I do scroll all the way down, the final price with all the discounts and the trade-in is $600 for the Z Fold 4. And that's it. Now one thing I want to let you know is when you do a trade-in, the 25% off gets applied to the remaining balance after the trade-in is deducted. But if you don't do a trade-in, the 25% off applies to the entire full price of the Z Fold 5, giving you that massive discount we just looked at. But with or without trade-in, this is a great deal. And like I said, the links are going to be down below. Click to activate the deal, but make sure to go to the Samsung Shop application. If you go to the website, you're not going to see this deal. But that's about it. Just want to make you aware if you are in the market to buy one of these products. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?